Morning! Kumusta ang tanan? For our little motivation for this morning, it says in Romans 8:28, for we know that all things will work together for good for those who love God and for those who are called according to His purpose. And so on, whatever situation you might have today, may it be good or specifically bad situation, atong unahon perminti based sa verse karon nga tanan ihan ayra sa Ginoo, tanan yang ituyo hindi ka ng bad situation na nasa mo karon, ituyo sa Diyos para He has a purpose for that. Maybe for us to learn something, maybe for us to learn a lesson, to realize something that without Him we are nothing. Okay, so good morning. God bless you today.